Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for Mathematics 6, Quarter 3, Week 1. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which solid figure has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices? A. Rectangular prism. B. Cube. C. Pyramid. D. Cylinder. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. What solid figure has circular base and one vertex? A. Cone. B. Sphere. C. Cylinder. D. Pyramid. The correct answer is letter A. Number 3. A dice is an example of a blank. A. Cube. B. Cone. C. Sphere. D. Cylinder. The correct answer is letter A. Number 4. Which solid figure has no edges and no vertices? A. Sphere. B. Cone. C. Cylinder. D. Pyramid. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5. What solid figure has 2 circular bases and 1 curved surface? A. Cone. B. Cylinder. C. Prism. D. Cube. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. Which pair of solids has flat and curved surfaces? A. Cube and sphere. B. Cone and cylinder. C. Pyramid and cube. D. Sphere and cube. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. A pyramid differs from a prism because a pyramid blank. A. Has no base. B. Has only one base. C. Has equal faces. D. Has two bases. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. How many edges does a rectangular prism have? A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. D. 14. The correct answer is letter C. Number 9. Which solid figure is used to model the top of an ice cream cone? A. Sphere. B. Cone. C. Cylinder. D. Pyramid. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. A solid with 6 faces that are rectangles is called a blank. A. Cube. B. Rectangular prism. C. Pyramid. D. Cylinder. The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. All solid figures have curved surfaces. This statement is false. Number 12. A cone has one circular base and one vertex. This statement is true. Number 13. A sphere can stand on a flat surface. This statement is false. Number 14. A cube is a special kind of rectangular prism. This statement is true. Number 15. A cylinder has two bases that are circles. This statement is true. Number 16. A pyramid has two bases and many vertices. This statement is false. Number 17. The faces of a cube are all equal squares. This statement is true. Number 18. A sphere has one curved surface only. This statement is true. Number 19. Edges are the lines where two faces meet. This statement is true. Number 20. A prism always has triangular bases. This statement is false. Directions. Identify the solid figure or term described. Number 21. Solid figure that looks like a ball. The correct answer is sphere. Number 22. Solid figure that looks like a tent. The correct answer is pyramid. Number 23. Solid figure with two parallel circular bases. The correct answer is cylinder. Number 24. Solid figure with a square base and four triangular faces. The correct answer is square pyramid. Number 25. A flat surface of a solid figure. The correct answer is face. Number 26. The point where edges meet. The correct answer is vertex. Number 27. A line segment where two faces meet. The correct answer is edge. Number 28. Solid figure that resembles a can. The correct answer is cylinder. Number 29. Solid figure that resembles an ice cream cone. The correct answer is cone. Number 30. Solid figure that resembles a shoebox. The correct answer is rectangular prism. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.